for the next generation, so the story is not lost. If you are young and listening, this is not ancient history. This happened in your grandparents' lifetime. There was a law and international agreement signed by 4 governments, witnessed by the world, registered with the United Nations. January 27, 1973, they called it peace. North Vietnam signed it, then broke it. The guns did not stop, not for 1 hour. Ask, why does no one speak of us? They gathered in Paris on a January day, ink still wet. They smiled and walked away. 4 names on paper, 4 hands on the line. They said, peace is coming. They said this time, 8 o'clock Saigon. The clocks were supposed to change, but the guns kept answering before the morning came. We heard the cannon speak before the ink was dry. Who stands for us now? Does anyone ask why? Why does no country stand and say our name? Why does the world not witness who bore the blame? We signed, we bled, we held the line, we swore, but they broke every promise. The January morning, they signed it, then walked away. They signed it, and we had to stay. They called it an agreement, not a treaty. Do you see? No ratification, just a signature and a dream. They shook our hands and left us. What were we supposed to do? North came with tanks while the witnesses looked away. Volume 935 sits quiet in a hall today, stamped and sealed and filed and stored away, while Saigon buried its children on that day. Why does history only record the victor's claim? We were real, we breathed, we loved, we built, we dreamed, but they broke every promise on that January scene. We were present, we existed, we were present. Do not erase us. We were present, and we were nation, and we were not wrong. Republic of Vietnam, remember us. What does a treaty mean when the ceasefire lasts less than a morning? A promise made to be broken, a law signed and ignored, a people abandoned and forgotten. The 17th parallel, first drawn in Geneva, then erased in Saigon. The world said nothing. I am still asking, are you? We were not a footnote, we were someone's son, someone's mother, someone's flag, someone's soul. We were a nation, and we were not wrong. Republic of Vietnam, we are still here. Republic of Vietnam, remember us. Republic of Vietnam. April 30th, 1975, tanks entered Saigon. The Republic of Vietnam ceased to exist. There was a law. It was broken. There was a people. They were erased. United Nations, you registered the treaty. What did you do when it was broken? American government, you signed your name in Paris. You watched, you were silent. What do you say to the children who grew up without a country? We are the next generation. We are still asking. We will not stop asking.